Guys, thanks for watching. Just a little update on school and how school is going.
From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be.
So my son that is on the spectrum does not have very many behavior problems. He never has had, and hopefully he won't have. He has started stomping his foot. I shouldn't laugh. I can see how it's disrespectful, and it feels a little disrespectful to me too, but the truth of the matter is he's just angry, frustrated, and he doesn't know what to do, and his solution is he's going to stomp his foot because it makes him feel better. He also has started rolling his eyes. To me, these are minor issues. It's a little way of showing that he is displeased with someone or something. That said, I do get that it's not generally accepted in society that you can do these things. And because he is high functioning, he is expected to function in society and be able to do all of the things that a normal person can do. That a neurotypical person can do. He's not supposed to do those things because he's supposed to fit in and do what is expected of him. So on the way home from school today, because I got a note at school saying that he is being disrespectful, he is rolling his eyes, and has even flat out told them that no, he does not want to do what they are asking him to do. So first I asked him why. He told them no, and he said it was too hard. And I said what, and he couldn't tell me what. I need to get more detail from the teachers, I suppose, because he had no idea what it was. I was like, do you remember who you rolled your eyes at? Because they talked to you about it afterwards. Was it, which one of your teachers was it? Because there's a teacher and 2 aides in there. And he goes, I don't know. I don't remember doing it. So it's hard for me to really know what happened, but, I told his teacher in the moment that if he says he doesn't want to do something, just say you don't have to want to do it, but you do have to try and do it. And I hope that doesn't cause more problems, because as I think about it more, I think he doesn't throw tantrums or he doesn't have meltdowns or fits, but he's getting so close lately. And what happens when we take away what he's using now, stomping his foot and rolling his eyes? What happens when we say, no, you can't do that? How do we make sure that doesn't lead to something worse? Because if he's feeling frustrated and whatever, then we're going to see meltdowns. We're on the cusp of it now. I can feel it. Every day there are these little moments that could lead to a meltdown or not, and they don't. But they don't because he is able to control it. Occasionally I have to help a little, but not anything that lasts more than a minute. We're pushing him so hard. How hard can we push him? And I don't know how to talk to his teacher about that either. But I know
I do not really know how to write a 5.
I really don't write a 5 the way you guys write a 5. Or the way that everyone
They
knows.
just do it, they can watch that around.
I know. You are a good jumper. Good job. Whoa, that was a cool spinny jump. Nice jumping. He also got a paper sent home. Grab it here. And she messaged me and sent me a picture of it. That they did hearing tests today at school, and he failed. Right past hearing screen, but eardrum is red and not moving properly, and the left was worse. So apparently he has hearing loss. At first they just showed that part, and it was just like the hearing loss is in both ears, and oh my god, my kid's going deaf. But then you flip it up and it says, the loss is likely temporary and may be associated with fluid or infection in the ears. Medical referral is recommended only if your child is not currently being or has not recently been treated for this condition. So he probably just has an ear infection. I mean, he's not running a fever or anything, but 2 weeks ago on Friday. Today is the 21st, so 2 weeks ago on Friday. He threw up 3 times in the car, but he gets car sick sometimes, so we didn't really think that much of it. He threw up 3 times in the car, and then that night he had a fever. His brother had it the week before, so, figure it's the same thing. And he had a fever Friday night, Saturday night, Sunday night, and Monday night. He was acting absolutely fine by Monday, but he still had a fever, so he had to stay home last month. They didn't have school on Monday, and he had to stay home last Tuesday. He only had school Thursday, so I think a lot of it is just between Christmas and then that. He hasn't been at school that much. This morning was extremely hectic, too. I woke up at 7:21, and he is supposed to be at school at 7:30 to eat breakfast. So it was a very rushed and, morning, and I don't think that helps any. I don't ever mean for that to happen. But it does happen sometimes, as we all know it does. So I guess that's my update at the moment on the school situation. I don't know that it's better. He's definitely getting something out of school, though, or I would just homeschool him. I have no issues homeschooling him. One thing I am very good at is teaching my kids. It's the rest of this whole parenting thing that's hard.
When you are done, shout yippee.
That's right. For 13, write a 1 and a 3. Once you are done, shout, yippee! Can you shout yippee? Crazy here? Are you hiding? What else do you have to do from when you were gone? What's this sound?
It's edgy. I don't know.
What's this word? Strong. So NG says Yeah. Like in strong, ring, song, string, bang. See, this man is strong.
I'm gonna take orange.
Are you gonna do that one now?
I'm gonna do 13 first.
Okay. Good choice. For 13, write a 1 and a 3. Try and hold your pencil the way they teach you at school.
You mean my marker?
Yeah. Do they let you use markers?
Guys, thanks for watching. Just a little update on school and how school is going. Subscribe, like, and share. Let's spread some positivity, awareness, and acceptance for everyone. Everywhere. Thanks, guys. See you next time. Bye.